This video has been produced by CCAA as a support tool for member safety talks. This video is not intended to be used for any other purposes. This video is copyright Cement, Concrete and Aggregates Australia March 2022 and must not be copied, reproduced or used for any alternate purpose without written permission. This driver is approaching the site entrance and needs to make a left turn from the middle lane. Truck drivers should be aware that most car drivers are not aware of the rule allowing trucks to turn from the second lane from the left. Car drivers may also misinterpret the truck driver's intentions. To avoid these issues, truck drivers should undertake a question mark turn to keep part of the vehicle in the curbside lane at all times. In faster moving traffic, this may require the driver to straddle both lanes in advance of the turn after choosing a suitably large gap. When reversing, you should always use a spotter where possible. Where other mobile plan or vehicles are being operated, always ensure positive communication with other drivers so that you know that they are aware of your intention to reverse. You should always be aware of your surroundings and use all available mirrors and cameras. Although difficult to see from this angle, a construction worker can be seen to move in front of the truck whose dashcam footage is being viewed. Another concrete agitated driver sees what is happening and watches out for movements on the site as he is aware of the dangers associated with pedestrians and trucks interacting. Without this driver taking such an interest in the safety of others, the worker who was cutting reinforcing in front of the other truck may have well been severely injured when the truck driver, unaware of the activity occurring in front of their truck, went to move forward. The Agi driver waits to make sure the site is safe before returning to his truck. Always remember that customer sites can provide significant risk for pedestrians. Check your surroundings by using mirrors and cameras before moving off, and where possible, get confirmation that it is safe to do so from another worker on site. Remember that when you are outside of your truck, to watch for other vehicles and to watch for the safety of others. Here, the Agi driver has recognised the potential for a dangerous situation and is watching the B-double turn, but is not doing so from a safe place. Do not put yourself in the line of fire and stay as far away from moving vehicles as is practical. Do not assume clearance from vehicles moving through an adjoining lane. Be aware of a truck's turning circle and overhang swing clearance. Remember to stand clear of vehicles loading or handling heavy or dangerous objects. After moving the chute, this Agi driver does not give himself enough clearance whilst other vehicles are operating. Consequently, he gets hit, doubles over in pain, and while the forklift driver tries to stabilise his load, the Agi driver almost gets hit again. You should always assess the risk of your personal safety, assuming that it is unsafe to be within the moving zone of other vehicles, and stand in a suitable exclusion zone. Where an area presents a risk, wait in a safe place for the risk to be removed. In this instance, positive communication with other drivers would have enabled the Agi driver to move to a safe place before the forklift operator began to remove the skip. In summary, exercise caution when turning and be aware that other drivers may not know or abide by the rule allowing trucks to turn from other lanes, or they may not be aware of your intentions. Be aware of your surroundings, especially when reversing, and don't assume others realise you are reversing or about to reverse. Be mindful of truck turning circles and overhang swing clearances, and stand clear of moving vehicles. Be aware of the need to separate pedestrians and moving vehicles where possible. Be aware of the dangers for pedestrians on customer and company sites and watch out for others. Stand clear of vehicles loading or handling dangerous or heavy objects. And always assess risk when non-standard situations occur.